Welcome back to The Voice Kids. Huling lalaban tonight ang team ni Coach Billy. Ang tanong, ano kaya mga i-consider niya sa magiging desisyon niya mamaya? Panoorin natin.
Ito na yung magiging huling performance ng isa sa kanila. So, they have to take that into consideration. So, ngayon is either you make it or you break it. You have to give it your all. Kayong dalawa na lang ang maglalaban for that one spot sa finals. Si Yana, as an experienced singer, she has a beautiful timbre sa boses niya. Yung rehistro ng boses niya sa mikropono, every time she sings, it just sounds so beautiful. Si Aliyah naman, she has a lot of soul. Yung soul sa loob niya, it's a good battle between a lot of other soul and R&B singers sa mga ibang coaches natin which I'm excited about. She's growing and growing on me as an artist. And now, one of the reasons why I took her to the semis is because out of all of them, she's the most prepared. And her voice just gets better and better as much as she practices. So, nakakaaliw si Aliyah. Malaking advantage ni Yana because of the experiences from the voice generations. Pero, there's also a disadvantage kasi pwedeng maging kampante rin ang isang tao. Ayokong malagay siya sa category na, pang ano lang yan, pang competition ng competition yan, kahit saan sasali na lang yan. I want her to find who she is in this journey. Ito na yung magmamatter sa kanya talaga It's pressuring, nakakatakot, nakakakilabot, pero nakaka-excite in the same sense. Ito yung makikita natin, yung fighting spirit ng mga bata. Every time I let go of a kid, it hurts to let them go. But I'm happy to let them go and grow. May the best kid win, and but super proud of all of them so far.
All right, Coach Billy, so nakikita ko ready na sila
Ang totoong bida sa Team Believe, ang dalawang last two standing pero really strong, we have Yana and Ali.
There you go, mga kapuso. Let's show some love and here to sing Piece by Piece and Royals. Sabi nga ni Coach Billy, ito na po sina Yana and Aliyah.
Okay ba yun?
Mic drop moments na mga to. Itong mga napapanood at napakikinggan natin. Coach Zach.
Yung binigay na emotion ni Yana ngayong gabi, ibang-iba. Congrats to you for doing such a good job portraying a song like that. Aliyah! Na-surprise na naman tayo ng batang to. Grabe talaga. Saan ba nanggagaling yun? Ang lupit ng boses, yung galaw. You really, really pulled it off. Galing. Ang galing, Aliyah.
It's you.
Dalawang magkaibang energies yung binigay niya sa amin. Pero, pareho kayong pasabog! Grabe kayo!
Yana, to see you grow the way you grow as an artist now, your mom, I'm sure, sobrang proud siya sa'yo, Yana. Nakukuha mo yung puso ng tao. So thank you very much for that, Yana. I truly appreciate that. Si Aliyah naman, sa murang edad niya, and to have that much control to a performance, hindi po biro yan. You both exceptionally did well tonight. So thank you very, very much.
Thank you, Coach Billy. Team Believe, great job po sa lahat ng ating semi-finalists. Pero siyempre, hindi pa tapos ang tensyon dahil oras na para malaman kung sino sa bawat team ang bukod tanging lalaban para sa ating grand finale. Kaya, coaches, hingang malalim dahil ang desisyon nyo ay pwede nyo ng pag-isipan and the big reveal is up next dito sa The Voice Kids. Coach Billy, asa...
Wala sa...
Ano yan? Coach Billy,
Umalis na!
saan pumunta?
Kuya Dong, parang
Saan pumunta?
umexit na yata
Exit yata, parang
Hindi nga.
hindi ko makita
Saan?
Nasaan ba?
Doon sa likod.
Ayun! Coach! Ano ba? Hindi ka makakatakas dito.
Ongoing ba tayo?
Ongoing ba tayo?
Sorry. Nagpapahinga lang ako dun sa likod. Tapos na kayo?
Gusto mo, holding hands tayo para... Hindi kasi,
First time
nakabahan
mangyari
ako
to sa
para
akin,
sa'yo
bro. Sa history natin dito sa The Voice, dito lang talaga ako nahirapan, to be honest with you.
I feel you, brother.
No, sobrang nahirapan ako sa inyong dalawa just because ang husay nyo ng dalawa. So obviously dito sa akin, ang choice ko is based off of my heart and the performance tonight. I'm so proud of both of you equally. So congratulations! Ikaw ang makikita namin sa Grand Finals. Walang iba kundi si Yana.
Sa puntong ito, siyempre gusto natin makarinig ng konting pep talk mula sa ating coaches. Coach Billy.
I'm just so proud of you, Yana. I'm sure pagdating sa Grand Finals, you will be fully prepared para kalabanin ng mga ibang coaches natin. But God's on your side, so congratulations, Yana. Great job.